What if I told you Honda just built the perfect dual sport motorcycle? A bike powerful enough for highways, light enough for trails, and reliable enough to take you around the world. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, meet the brand new 2026 Honda XR350R. And make sure you stick with me until the very end, because I've got a surprise that could change the way you think about Honda's XR family forever. Welcome to Z Auto Advisor, your trusted home for all things cars, bikes, and adventure machines. Today, we're diving deep into Honda's all-new XR350R, a motorcycle that might just be the sweet spot between city practicality and off-road thrill. Before we get into the 2026 model, let's talk about the XR legacy. Honda's XR series has always been synonymous with rugged reliability. From the smaller XR200 and XR250 workhorses to the legendary XR650R Desert Dominator, the XR badge has carried riders across deserts, jungles, farms, and cities for decades. The XR bikes have always been about simplicity, toughness, and versatility. They weren't the fastest or flashiest, but they were the bikes you could trust when the going got tough. And now Honda has decided to add a new middleweight to the family, the XR350R. This isn't just an update, it's a strategic move. With the XR300L sitting in the lightweight category, and the CRF450L leaning toward hardcore performance, the XR350R fills the gap for riders who want more power than a 300, but without the intimidation of a 450. Let's talk looks. The 2026 Honda XR350R strikes the perfect balance between rugged dual sport styling and modern refinement. At the front, you've got a sleek LED headlight unit with aggressive fairings inspired by Honda's rally bikes. The tall front fender gives it that off-road credibility, while the slim midsection and narrow tank make it easy to grip with your knees when you're tackling trails. The fuel tank is around 11 liters, which means you're getting a decent range without making the bike bulky. The seat is long and flat, so whether you're commuting or standing on the pegs off-road, you've got comfort and mobility. And of course, Honda didn't forget the details. New bold graphics, durable plastics, and a stance that screams ready for adventure. Now, the heart of the beast, the engine. The 2026 XR350R is powered by a 349cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine with modern fuel injection. It makes around 32 horsepower and 29 Nm of torque. Now, I know what you're thinking. Those numbers aren't crazy. But here's the secret. Dual sports aren't about peak horsepower. They're about usable power. And that's where the XR350R shines. The torque comes in early, giving you punchy acceleration in city traffic and strong pull on trails. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox, the bike can cruise at highway speeds comfortably, while still being nimble off-road. It's the Goldilocks of dual sports. Not too small, not too big, just right. If you know the XR family, you know suspension is a big deal. The XR350R doesn't disappoint. Up front, you've got long travel inverted forks, perfect for soaking up rocks, potholes, and surprise bumps. At the rear, Honda gives you a ProLink monoshock with adjustability, so you can fine-tune your ride depending on whether you're hitting trails or carrying luggage. The seat height is about 800 mm, tall enough for off-road clearance but still approachable for riders under 6 feet. And at around 145 kilograms, it strikes that sweet balance. Heavy enough for stability, light enough to flick around on trails. Confidence-inspiring and versatile. This is a bike you can ride in the city Monday to Friday, then take camping in the mountains on the weekend. Honda knows XR fans love simplicity. That's why the XR350R doesn't drown you in electronics, but it does give you the essentials. Digital LCD dash with gear indicator, fuel gauge, trip meters, and clock. Full LED lighting system for efficiency and style. Switchable ABS. On for commuting safety, off when you're trail riding. Optional smartphone connectivity for navigation and ride data in higher trims. This is the Honda philosophy. Keep it simple. Keep it reliable, but sprinkle in just enough tech to make life easier. Here's the magic of the XR350R. It's a motorcycle for everyone. In the city, the upright seating, narrow frame, and lightweight build make it perfect for slicing through traffic. The suspension soaks up bad roads, and the engine delivers just enough punch for highway overtakes. But step off the tarmac, and the XR transforms. Gravel, mud, forest trails, rocky climbs. The bike eats it all up. And thanks to Honda reliability, you don't have to worry about being stranded. It's one bike that can do it all. A commuter, a weekend explorer, and even a light adventure machine. Now, what about price? While Honda hasn't confirmed exact numbers yet, the XR350R is expected to sit between the XR300L and the more premium CRF450L. That puts it head-to-head with rivals like the Kawasaki KLX300, the Suzuki DRZ400, and even Yamaha's WR250R. But here's the edge. Honda's XR badge carries weight. Riders know when they buy an XR, they're buying a machine that's bulletproof, affordable to maintain and built to last decades. New. Riders who want a forgiving bike that won't be outgrown too quickly. Daily. Commuters who want rugged reliability and fuel efficiency. Weekend warriors who want a bike that can handle both highways and trails. Adventure beginners who aren't ready for a massive Africa twin but want something more capable than a 250. In short, the XR350R is for anyone who wants one bike to do it all. Alright, you've waited patiently. Time for that surprise. Rumors are swirling that Honda is already testing a XR350R Rally Edition. Think about it. A larger 15-liter fuel tank, a small rally-style windscreen, navigation tower, luggage mounts, and even beefier suspension. If this becomes reality, the XR350R won't just be a dual sport. It'll be a mini adventure bike, ready to take on long-distance rides and even amateur rally events. Imagine riding across countries on a lightweight, affordable Honda rally machine. That's the dream. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Honda XR350R is more than just another motorcycle. It's a statement that Honda still understands what riders want. A machine that's tough, versatile, reliable, and fun. It's not trying to be the fastest or flashiest. Instead, it's a true dual sport, bridging the gap between commuting and adventure. This has been Z Auto Advisor. Thank you for riding along with me today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the XR350R, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss more reviews, news, and updates from the world of motorcycles and cars. And now it's your turn. Would you choose the XR350R as your daily and weekend bike? Or would you go for one of its Kawasaki or Yamaha rivals? Let me know in the comments below.